Hello friends, today we will talk about how to successfully register as a nurse in Australia and start practicing. This program is the easiest and most affordable pathway for experienced nurses to start their career in Australia. This information session is hosted by Careers Abroad Consultants. We are an education and immigration consultant firm with offices in the Delhi NCR region. Watch this video till the end to take a tour of the facilities at the TRED College in Sydney, Australia. This session is particularly beneficial if you are a practicing nurse in India or anywhere in your home country across the world and would like to migrate to Australia and work as a registered nurse. If so, then you should be aware that starting this year, Australia has moved to a new assessment model for internationally qualified nurses who want to register with NMBA. Prior to January 2020, the nurse would apply to NMBA and be referred to a bridging program like EPIC. However, these programs are no longer valid for new registrants. The new procedure requires the internationally qualified nurses and midwives to apply with NMBA and get their qualifications assessed for registration. If the applicants do not meet the criteria for direct registration, which is the case for most of the Indian nurses, then they will be referred to take an outcomes-based assessment, which is known as OBA, and on successful completion of the OBA, the applicants can register as nurses with NMBA and start their career in Australia. So what does the new assessment comprise of? And how can you go about completing it? OBA consists of two parts, a theory, which is computer-based, and a practical, which is an objective structured skills assessment. The theory part can be completed in the applicant's home country, and the practical will be administered in Australia. To register as a nurse, the applicants will need to prepare to ace both the tests. To assist you in preparing for the test, KSC, in collaboration with TRED College in Australia, are now offering a nurse preparatory program in two stages. In the first stage, the theory program is delivered for a duration of 3 weeks, and in the second stage, the practical training is for a duration of 4 weeks. The theory training will be delivered online with the applicant in India and the instructors in Australia. On successful completion of the theory assessment, the applicant will go to Australia and receive practical training at the TRED College in Sydney, and then appear for the practical assessment. On successful completion of both tests, the applicant can register with the NMBA and work as a nurse in Australia and globally as well. The fees for the entire preparatory program is 6,900 Australian dollars. So, if you are ready to take your career to the next level and are interested in this program, then contact us for more details and you could be working in Australia in as little as 6 months. Thank you.